Smaran, as you know, and Sandarbhas and other places, there's 5 levels of Smaran. Simple Smaran, and then Dharana, and then Dhruvanusmriti and Samadhi. There's different levels. So first of all, the mind has to become pure. That's why we're chanting. It's the most powerful way to purify the mind. It's a holy name. So the Smaran, we practice. We just practice whatever we can for an occasional remembrance, or whenever we can. Because Smaran, it's a byproduct of purity of consciousness. So some people from last life, they have very highly developed and pure in consciousness, so then they can easily more do Smaran. It's a practice, but it's not because it's not like some scientific formula where you do 1 + 1 is 2, and it's because when I asked my teacher about this, he told me, he said, he quoted the Bhagavad Gita, and he said, Sarvasya Chaham Ridi Sanivishto, 15:15 of Gita. Matas Matir Jnana Aponam Chai. So from Krishna comes remembrance. This is a basic answer everyone gives, even at the highest level of, Babajis, when you're being trained in Smaran and discussing with the Guru, he says that it's Krishna's mercy, and he said you have to pray that you can remember more. Prayer is our constant companion, no doubt.